to our people, what are we?
Keep going on with so much stuff, right?
Brother. We're brothers,
I know
right?
it's not right now.
Brother.
I know. What is it?
Israelites, yeah, Israelites, yeah, we're Israelites. Right, yeah. You brothers, Issachar, Judah.
This is what it means.
Brothers.
This
All right?
is
Yeah, we're brothers, all right?
Why does a black man, black woman has to go through hell and tribulation?
But we must start with the Bible. We must start with the Bible to clean up our communities.
That's why he said to us, it is given the Bible, the oracles of God.
Right.
Come on. And God is a black man.
Right.
His son Jesus Christ is black.
It says his feet like fine brass.
Now, we're not teaching hate. We're educating our people, right? We're educating our people. We're not telling you to go pick up guns and start violence against white people, no. But we have to know who our enemy is.
Right.
Come on.
Shame face often mistake for shame face describes someone who is bashful, modest, or visibly embarrassed and ashamed of their behavior.
Ashamed of your behavior. Are our sisters ashamed of their behavior today? No. Yeah, look, y'all, you see World Star, you see all these TikTok videos, they got their shape, they doing the little TikTok challenge, shaking their butt, right, trying to show their shape. All these things our sisters are doing today, but these are not godly. It's not godly. We got to change that.